It's a 63 Alfa Romeo, 1600. And the thermostat, the gate's thermostat has worked. It's not leaking. Not hot. And you can see the gauge is at 140 on the right and 140 on the left. It was at 250 with a failed wall gate. So that works. Poor car needs everything. These tires are like 20 years old, man. But I'm not driving the car enough to swap tires just yet, so isn't that cool as fuck? Yeah, it's not for sale. I don't give a shit. I don't lose your money. But yeah, so that's there's the blue glue. Left it on overnight and then I tightened it down. No leaks. Fuel flow is bad again. Haven't solved that issue. I think it's the hoses underneath the car are just really old. So I have to swap those out. I may have to take it to somebody to do that because it's a pain in the ass to lift this car up. And that's that epoxy paint on that hood. It's amazing it hasn't come through. So really, it was my father's car. But I've done everything that he just drove the thing. And I've pretty much redone as much as I can. I still got to do paint and plating, interior, all that bullshit. But it's a fun car. If you find them, just buy them. But I'm just really thrilled that I've solved that temp gauge issue. That thing used to be buried at 250. I'd have to immediately pull over, and it would just keep running. And now I've driven it 20-30 minutes today. It's not even moving. And the hoses are cool. Check, this is a little tag my friend got somewhere at a gun show or something. It's off a Panzer IV tank, Panzer IV, Panzer V. But that M, I was thinking M is like Kriegsmarine, but that's a Panzer IV, Panzer V, if I'm correct. Anyway, real neat. It had a push button there. I'd like to go back to that push button thing just to be more accurate. It's got a Bosch switch behind there. And let's see. Yeah, it's just a great old car. It needs a lot of work, but shit, I just got too many cars, too many motorcycles, and I just have too much fun with them. So anyway, gang, just thought I'd show you how you do a thermostat on these little Alfa Romeos and where you can get them. A lot of these big parts houses, they've moved to selling t-shirts and fucking dildos and shit like that, so you gotta find this shit on like eBay or whatever. But if you saw the previous video, there's a picture of the old thermostat and the new one, and so you know what you need to buy. Catch you on next YouTube.